Hey guys, welcome to Songkran Festival. Today I came here to Thailand to enjoy the biggest water fight in the world. All of Thailand goes out to the streets to celebrate Songkran Festival, and we are here in the busiest place, Khao San Road in Bangkok. I'm here with my friend Ralph, and we are here to experience our first Songkran Festival. So basically this is a celebration for the Thai New Year, and as you can see, it basically consists on a big water fight. Everybody has a water gun and it splashes. I experienced this at night first, and this was the first night of Songkran. It was epic. So guys, let's go. This is Songkran Festival. Let's go! So we're ready. These guys have board. Let's go.
Just mention the noise. It's if you're recommending a stay here, then it's noisy, right?
It is a bit noisy, but it's good because we are right on the party, so we're gonna get wet right now. Let's go! So we just got the water pistols here. Let's go! So yesterday night was epic, right, bro?
Honestly, last night was the best night we've had in Thailand, no doubt.
Incredible.
It was kind of like spontaneous as well.
Yes, it was here at Khao San Road. Yes, and now we are experiencing it during the day. I can't believe I didn't go here before. I've always been during this time of the year to Thailand, but never got the chance to experience Songkran, and it's just incredible. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, give a like, and I'll see you in the next adventure. See you!